Sibingelele kule video ngifisa ukukhuluma ngesizwe sabelungu. Mhlawumbe ukuyibuza ukuthi sivelaphi lesizwe sabelungu. Hlangazi. But ngokwazi kwethu nangokufundiswa kwethu sazi ukuthi sivela kuNkulunkulu. Sazi ukuthi uAdam noEva abantu bokuqala kwakwabelungu. Sazi ukuthi wonke amakhosi suka lapho kwakwamakhosi abelungu kuze kuyofika kuJesu. Kwakwamakhosi abelungu, oDavide, oMoses, kwakwamakhosi abelungu. Sazi lokho. Iyona into esifundiswe yona. But iqiniso liyavela nobufakazi buyavela ukuthi iskeleton esidala kunazo zonke iskeleton la emhlabeni esomuntu omnyama African. Leso skeleton leso sina 3.2 million years. Okusho ukuthi about 3.2 million years kwakuphila ama-Africans. And kuyavela futhi ukuthi abelungu they only come into history. Bavela emlandweni wokuphila kulomhlaba about 5,000 years ago. Other than that, musuyale ko 6,000 years, 7,000 years, abakawuhlanganisa u10,000 belapha emhlabeni abelungu. Right? Abakawuhlanganisa u10,000. So the question is, bavela kuphi? Because sina besazi ukuthi abantu labaNkulunkulu and ibona abadala sonke siphuma kubona. Right? Before ngichaza bavela kuphi, number 1, nesibizwe u2 kuzomela ukuthi sizazi. Khona uhlobo lwabantu ekuthiwa ama-alien. Bese sibone ema-movie kuthiwa khona ama-alien. Ikhonto kanjalo, yes. And aphila underground. Kunomhlaba okhona o-underground. Awavele ezulwini ngespace mezofika, cha. Khona umhlaba okhona o-underground. Lo mhlaba okhona unohlobo lwabantu kuthiwa ama-aliens. Akubona abantu vele kodwa phela yabo ukuze kuzwakale kahle. Unama-aliens. Yabo lo mhlaba ubizwa ngokuthi i-Hollow Earth. Hollow Earth. Ngizocela ukuthi sibuke le video le. Bechaza about lo mhlaba okuthiwa i-Hollow Earth.
It's not really hollow. There are cities underneath the earth. There's a whole city. It's got a sun, it's got water, it's got lakes, it's got animals. It's beautiful, and they're more highly advanced than we are. But that is inside of the earth.
And they live thousands of years old, I understand.
Oh, it's been down there since Atlantis. The survivors of Atlantis, some of them went into the Hollow Earth. The entrances are found underneath the pyramids of the world. They had the entrances to the Hollow Earth, and the pyramids were built on top of the entrances. This means the one in Egypt, the one in South America, all of anywhere there's a pyramid, there will be an entrance going down.
Now, siyabona kule video ukuthi kuyachazwa lapha nge-Hollow Earth ukuthi number 1 umhlaba underground. Number 2 baney'nto zakhona, kune-civilization yakhona, kunelanga lakhona, kunemfula yakhona, kuphinde futhi kuzoba nalentuzo. Kuzoba nabantu bakhona abaphila khona, and bayaveza ukuthi indlela engena khona ingena kuma-pyramids. Ukhumbuleka ama-pyramids ukuthi akhona e-Africa, akhona eGibhithe, akhona eSudan, akhona nase-South Africa, akhona futhi eSouth America ama-pyramids, akhona nase-Eurasia ama-pyramids. Yabo? Lezo indawo zama-pyramids kahle kahle la khona ama-pyramids ila ungena khona, i-entrance to i-Hollow Earth leyo. Right? So kulomhlaba o-underground kunama-alien. Kuney'nhlobo eziwu-3 zama-alien ezivelayo emlandweni ukuthi ziphila underground kwi-Hollow Earth. Ama-Shiok. Ama-Shiok anjani? Anamakhanda amakhulu neziphongo ezinkulu. Ama-Shiok. Right? Kuzoba khona ama-Sinini. Ama-Sinini anamakhanda awumputshu. Amade awumputshu. Right? Ngizofocus kule hlobo zo2 kuphela because le hlobo zo2 ubaba we-scientist ekuyona yakha abelungu uyi-Shiok. Wawulohlobo lolu namakhanda amakhulu. Umama wale scientist eyakha abelungu kwakusenini. Kwakuwasesinini. Wayenekhanda elumputshu, right? So bazala i-scientist ebizwa ngokuthi uYakub, Y-A-K-U-B, Yakub. Leli gama elithi Yakub lagcina selishintsha selithi Jacob. Leli gama elithi Jacob ilona-ke lelo abalifaka eBhayibhelini bathini, bathi u-Israel. Bakhipha igama lamngoni bazofaka lo Jacob wabo. Lalikade lu-Yakub. Bafaka igama layise wabo, bayazi-ke bona. They know, bawazi kahle umlando, right? So uYakub, the scientist, uyena owakha abelungu. Wayezalwa uYushek ovela kumaShiyok people, laba namakhanda amakhulu nephunga enkulu, and uma wakhe kwakubani? KwakuLucina. uLucina wayelaba abanamakhanda awumputshu amade. uYakub wagcina ephuma underground ngenxa yokuthi abazali bakhe bamthola, ngizothini, bamthola ngendlela engahlelekile. Kanjani na? Uma wakhe uYakub wayegane enye indoda, wabe seganga nenye indoda, kwazalwa uYakub. Babe sebedingiswa kulomhlaba o-underground okuthiwa i-hollow earth. Babe sebekhuphuka beya kephi? Emhlabeni. Ubani? Umaka Yakub, uLucina. uYushek wabulawa khona lapha underground emva kokuthi ethole necala. uLucina, umaka Yakub, bamyeka ngoba usenengane, wadingiswa emhlabeni o-underground. Babe sebekhuphuka bakhuphukela endaweni ekuthiwa ise-Saudi Arabia, endaweni ekuthiwa ise-Mecca. Ilapho-ke uYakub, the scientist, akhulela khona. Lapho la akhulela khona kwakukhona umalume wakhe uYakub, ngoba umalume wakhe naye okuthiwa u-Amu wayekade edingisiwe ngenxa yokuthi washada nomuntu. Ama-aliens ayehlala avakashe emhlabeni, and abantu basemhlabeni babazi ukuthi khona abantu aba-underground, right? Kodwa ama-aliens ayazi ukuthi kumele ukuthi ayihlukanise nabantu basemhlabeni. Abanye bagcina beba in love nabantu abasemhlabeni. So umalume kaYakub wayevele ese-Saudi Arabia, eMecca, esehlala khona ngoba wayekade adingiswa from underground. So kwathi umaka Yakub benoYakub sebedingiswa lapha e-underground ngenxa yokuthi indlela atholakala ngayo uYakub ayingekho right. Babe sebeyohlala nobani? Nomalume wakhe uYakub, right? So uYakub wabe sedevelopa inzondo ngabantu abamnyama. Labantu aba-underground bamnyama nabo. AmaShiyok abavela esadini laba bakabani? KaYakub, bamnyama nabo, right? Wabe sedevelopa inzondo ngobani? Wabulawela ubaba wakhe lapha underground. Uma wakhe waxoshwa lapha underground, naye baxoshwa. Waphoqeleka ukuthi akazohlala nabantu emhlabeni, right? Lo Yakub lo kwathi kuhamba isikhathi uma wakhe wacommit suicide. Wabazonda even more abantu abamnyama. Wathi mesefika emhlabeni lapha esekhula khona, izingane zazimhleka noma abantu babemhleka bebona usize wekhanda lakhe ngoba oyenekhanda elingahlanganisa amakhanda amabili. And for that he was very intelligent because ibrain yakhe yayifana nokuthi i-double. So in that way wabe sedevelopa inzondo ngabantu abamnyama, wabanyanya abantu abamnyama, and waze wafunga ukuthi uyokwakha isizwe sakhe esihlukile ngebala labantu abamnyama, esiyoba controller abantu abamnyama for over 6,000 years. Esiyobusa abantu abamnyama esihlukile from abantu abamnyama, esiyobanyanya futhi abantu abamnyama. Ngicela ukuthi ngibambe la. Uzolandela upart 2. Siyabonga.
Yakub the scientist, the creator, the disruptor. He is the catalyst of change.
lot of you know, right? Like, humans were originally black. You know, they evolved in Africa, and then from there they spread around the world. But a mystery that no one can explain, no scientist can explain this, no religion can explain it, nothing can explain it, is then where did white people come from? Did white people evolve from black people? You know, there's the theory that as they went to colder climates, the need for the darker pigmentation evaporated, so maybe they turned white, or maybe it was a genetic mutation that happened. You know, who knows? But all those theories are wrong, because white people were created by a man named Yakub.
White people were created by a man named Yakub.
I'm going to tell you the story about him today. So, about 6,600 years ago, a scientist was born named Yakub. He was born in Mecca at a time when only black people existed in the world. So Yakub had an incredibly large head. His brain was gigantic. I'll show you a picture. Yakub's head was enormous, right? Just like this. He had like a brain 3 or 4 times the size of that of the normal human, thanks to his incredibly large head. And because of that, he was very smart. He was an incredible scientist. He grew into the best scientist in the entire world. Not just in Mecca, but the entire world, okay? And obviously he was Islamic. So at the age of 6, Yakub, who was already incredibly arrogant due to his immense intelligence, he discovered the law of attraction and repulsion by playing with magnets that he had made of steel. And that led him to concoct a plan. He was so arrogant and he hated his fellow black people so much that he decided that if he was to create a special class of human being that he could like imbue with the power to attract others through trickery and lies, then that special kind of human being could trick and lie against the original black people and eventually grow to control them. So